Hey Brian, it's Josh Bedsel. It was nice talking to you on the phone earlier today, and this is that video I was telling you about that I was going to send over. Basically, I'm going to be showing you 3 things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. And you're probably sitting there asking yourself, why is Josh making me this video? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy to run their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from somebody is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they could do for free to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hand saying, hey, I like what you're doing, Josh, can you please keep doing this for me? So by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we could chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So let me get into the 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of your time. The first thing I want to go over is content. When I'm talking about content, I'm not talking about just the amount of words on your page, but what words you're using. Okay, so I go over to here in this little word counter, and this is the organic content that I brought up from your homepage, and it came up to 52 words. Where you really want to be is at 1,500 words at least on your homepage for Google, and this is the reason why. Google sends out robots, and these robots, they crawl through content and look for keywords, and the more content you have, the more they crawl. So what are these keywords I'm talking about? So I go over here to this Keywords Everywhere tool. I use it. Costs you $10 for 100,000 credits. It'll last you a couple of months. Very helpful, but it shows you what keywords you're ranking for on your website. And as you see here, you're ranked number 7, number 1 for Floor Trader, flooring, Jacksonville, Florida. And these are all the searches that they're getting, all right? So I understand that Floor Trader is quite an often search, but that's not tailored towards Jacksonville. So these 6,600 people, not all of them live in Jacksonville and looking for these services. All right. When you go down, you only actually have a couple of keywords that are tailored towards your service area, and you're ranked quite high in them. All right. So go through here and figure out what keywords you really need to use. And I'll help you out with that by bringing up your competition, which is Mike Neckel Flooring. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Forgive me if it's not. But Mike's your competition because of this. When you type in flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida, you have your ads and your map pack, and we'll get to that in a second. But Mike is number 1, and I see you right down here at number 2, right behind him. But since Mike is number 1, he's there for your competition. He has only 154 words, but this is where things differ. These are all the keywords he's ranking for. Jacksonville Flooring, flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida, flooring contractors, Jacksonville, Florida, flooring installation, Jacksonville, Florida. All these words are tailored towards the service area and the services he provides. So that could be a reason why he's beaten you to that number 1 spot. All right, the second thing I want to talk to you about was just how this Google Map Pack is set out. Of course, you have ads, and ads are good, okay, but research shows they're only semi-effective. They become a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly, and could possibly create the ick for potential customers if they keep seeing an ad with your company name on it. All right, so you're ranked, I believe it was number 2 page. Yes, on the 2nd page of flooring services, flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida. 2nd page ain't bad, but we don't want you just on the 1st page. We want you in the top 3. So Josh, how do I get to the top 3? That's through citations. Citations is anything with what we call a NAP, name, address, or phone number. I already plugged you into my local citation finder by Whitespark, WHITESPARK.ca. It costs you $30 to $70 a month depending on your plan, but basically you can see how many citations you have. And you have 21. Like I said, where you really want to be is 200 to 300 citations to be able to beat your competition out by a landslide, because you have good stars, 4.8 stars, that's good, 214 Google reviews, that's phenomenal, and you really want to add a better description in here. Google offers 750 character count limit, and you want to utilize every single one of those characters and implement those keywords within them so you can rank in this map pack, okay? Another thing I want to talk to you about, which was the third most important thing, was backlinks and link juice. So what am I talking about when I talk about backlinks and link juice? It works like this. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. All right, so I emphasize that relative because I see on your Ahrefs is a phenomenal SEO tool. It runs you about $170 a month if you want to do this on your own. I use it every single day because, well, I'm a digital marketer. But it shows you your referring domains, your backlinks, your domain rating, basically the integrity and the power of your website. It also has organic keywords, just like the Keywords Everywhere tool. All right. But anyways, you have 237 referring domains and you have 2K backlinks, okay? I'm gonna go over your competition, which was Mike Neckel Flooring, and this is his Ahrefs. He has 37 referring domains and 189 backlinks. So now you're asking, Josh, how the heck is Mike beating me? Well, that's when I go back and say that all backlinks aren't created equal and you need more relative sites linking back at you, okay? Because that is how he's beating you. He understands the blog comments, the influence links, and the guest posts and citations, or whoever's doing his SEO understands that, and understands that you don't want to just match what he has, but surpass, okay? And that's how you're going to beat him out organically when it comes to the backlinks and link juice, all right? Get more relative sites linked back to you, because if they're not relative, they might as well be useless, because they'll be either taken down or Google will flag them within a month or two, okay? So now I'm just going to go back over and discuss what we just talked about. And the first thing was content. You want a lot more content. You want 1,500 words specifically, at least on your website, all right? Implement some keywords from your competition that you see that are working, all right? The second thing was citations. If you want to climb through this map pack, add 200 to 300 of these bad boys into there and you'll crawl to the top, okay? You got good reviews, you got good stars, add that description, add more pictures, and you're set, all right? And I can absolutely help with that if you need. And the third thing was backlinks and link juice. You need more relative sites linking back to you for sure, okay? So it shows Google that you are the authority when you have that. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I'm providing you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But however, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. I hope this helped you out, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.